Today we're diving into Travelpayouts, one of the leading travel affiliate programs. If you're a travel blogger, website owner, or someone looking to monetize their travel content, this could be a great option for you. Travelpayouts offers a variety of travel-related services like flights, hotels, car rentals, and even tours, which you can promote on your site or through your social media platforms. The platform is designed to help you earn commissions by promoting these services, and the process is straightforward. You start by signing up for an account, which is completely free. Once registered, you'll gain access to a variety of banners, links, and tools that you can easily integrate into your website. The dashboard is clean and easy to navigate, providing you with all the analytics and performance data you need to track your earnings. One of the standout features of Travelpayouts is the range of affiliate options available. You can promote products from well-known brands like Booking.com, Skyscanner, and rental cars. Whether you want to promote flight bookings, hotel stays, or car rentals, you'll find it all here. The commissions are competitive, and the platform is trusted by top travel bloggers and influencers worldwide. As you explore the website, you'll notice how easy it is to set up and start earning commissions. You can choose from a range of ad formats, including banners, links, and widgets that you can embed on your site. There are also real-time stats that show you how your links are performing, which can help you adjust your strategy if needed. Travelpayouts also offers a helpful support system. Their team is responsive and ready to assist if you have any questions or encounter any issues. This can be a big relief, especially if you're new to affiliate marketing or the travel industry. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources, so be sure to check those out after watching. Overall, Travelpayouts offers an excellent affiliate program for anyone looking to monetize their travel content. Whether you're a blogger, content creator, or business owner, the platform provides all the tools you need to get started. I highly recommend checking it out if you're interested in affiliate marketing within the travel niche. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and tips.